big audience watching.
I like the patina on this one. Look at that hood. This is one of my favorite grills. Oh, this one's for sale. Just motor and trans, 1800. 330 motor, 350 turbo, 760-658-2080. 1800 bucks for best offer. Runs great. Like the color. Oh. Yes. 1968 Morris Minor 1000. British Motor Industry Heritage Trust. And drive.
This actually goes all the way up.
Might have to pace myself. There's a lot of cars here. Might come back to get that Corvette. We'll see. There's a cool little Mustang. Kind of parked too close to this truck. I can't really fit in there. So this is week 3 of Cruisin Grand here in Escondido, North County, San Diego. The theme for the week is Model Ts and Model A's. So that will be the theme, and that'll be the main on the main street here on Grand and Broadway. There'll be Model Ts. I like this color on this F100. I used to have a F250 long bed about 8 years ago, 7 or 8 years ago. The 1972 had a 390 in it. I used to bring it here to Cruisin Grand and park it and sit in it while the cruise was going on. I really like this color. They're taking off all the middle trim. I kind of like it without the trim because it still has a body line to it. You can still kind of see it. This is a F100. This is a little bit older model than the one that I had. I can tell by the grille. This is probably like a 68 or a 69. But if I get the year wrong, let me know in the comments. This looks like right around a 41 Ford. T-Bird. I like these brake lights. How nice they are. Look at how the bumper is real nice too. Steering wheel in Pomona that's off of T-Bird, I could recognize it right away. It's not going to fit the shoebox, but it looks like it looks like it came from a Thunderbird, so at least I know where it came from. Another pic here of the Hemi motor. National Hemi Owners Association. Look how cool the bumper meets the body line. These are the new traffic circles that Escondido put on Grand. There's one right here. I think there's a couple more going down Grand. Alright, so we're walking down. We got the first strip of cars. And now we're on the corner. This might be Calmia. Grand and Calmia. 49, 50, 51 shoebox, 4-door. Mine doesn't have the skirts. This one has the skirts. It looks good both ways, with skirts, without skirts. It's a push button like mine with the handles. color of the interior. Tan. Especially with a good color combination with the car being red. I am missing a couple of trim pieces on the passenger side, so I will be on the lookout for those. I don't have any mirrors on mine either, now that I'm looking at it. I have these mirrors, size 15 wheels. I do like that centerpiece. Look those up on the internet. That's El Camino 396. I like the patina on this Chevy. Early 50s Chevy. Oh, it's got an LS motor. That grill will tell you what year it is. Maybe 54, 55. Somebody write in the comments. Some cars still rolling in. 5 p.m. on a Friday night in Escondido. What?
What it is ain't exactly clear.
They widen the sidewalks here. You can see the old sidewalk and then what the new sidewalk is here in Escondido on Grand. Image satellite with a Hemi. Yes, it's fast. No, you can't drive it. Gotta kind of wait for a break in the traffic to see if I can get out here and get a shot of this satellite. F100 for sale, V8 390, 12,000 or best offer, 619-818-7153. There's a little break in the traffic. I'm gonna try to get a little shot of this on the street. Nice pickup truck, real nice color to it. See if I can get a little video of the bed. Side pipes for exhaust. See if I can get a picture of the inside for you for a little bit.
Looks like a chopped S10.
It's getting hard to film with so many people, so I might do the faster videos of them. truck was out here on week 1. It's got like a satin finish of red. Leather interior with the center console. US mags for wheels. Looks like an LS motor. Wheelwood brake system. Getting a little harder and harder to record with so many people, so I might just be walking by a lot of cars. We'll see. So now we're coming up on Broadway with the DJ.
I'm the best town the beautiful has ever had.
It's a beautiful Bel Air. Bel Air wagon. I got this car, I got this Cobra last week. So if you want, it's actually the thumbnail for two weeks ago's video. This one was parked over on Maple, if I remember correctly.
Hey, buddy.
It's gonna get harder and harder to film, so I'm just gonna walk through this aisle. Real nice Bronco right here.
Sorry. I said one bite. He'll take your head in one bite.
Ooh, beautiful Impala.
This is gorgeous.
I'll go up and down this aisle a few times. Camaro Rally Sport. I like how it's painted white.
Don't get too high.
There's that Bel Air Nomad that I caught on the way in. Oh, look what they did to the license plate. That's cool. I've never seen that before. Broadway, this is kind of like the main place where they do awards at the end of the night. And so Broadway and Grand. I'm going to go down these aisles a couple more times, trying to catch all these cars. This is a real nice cutlass right here. I really like this cutlass. This 32 coming up has been coming here for years, as long as I can remember, for at least the last 10 years. It's always been my favorite 32. It's really clean, the handles are shaved, nothing really catches your eye. It's one of my favorite vehicles. I always enjoy seeing it when I come here. Chevy Nova. SS. So it's gonna be kind of hard to get in between these two aisles, so I'm just gonna film from this side. Here's an AMX. If you saw my video from Fallbrook, there was a whole bunch of AMCs there. I don't think this one was one that was there, but there was at least a dozen. This Pantera's always has been here many times. I remember it. This SS Nova was here week 1. Here it is again. It's kind of hard to really squeeze in there and film cars, especially with people in there, so I'm just going to go around. I got film on this Nomad and on this 59 Impala on week 1. And that Ford Cobra as well. I came around noontime and they were all parked here. So if you want to see wraparound videos on these 3 cars, you can go back to my video from week 1. Hopefully it's easy to find on my page. SMG is the sponsor for the week here. They're a local early Ford parts supplier. I've gotten a lot of parts for my shoebox from them. Door handles. I've gotten a lot of parts. I don't know how successful I'm going to be filming cars here. It's pretty crowded on this part. Working my way from Broadway down to Maple. So usually they have a band playing on Juniper, on Broadway, and on Maple. So we're working our way down to Maple.
I knew it would.
I gotta look on their website. It tells me the names of the bands. I'll try to tag them in the video, or at least they write their name. gassers are here all the time.
And then he fucking gets a truck. I wouldn't either, man. He scares me. Tony said it louder.
But at night, it's all light, so it's all lit up. Different color lights. Really fast, babe.
Is this a 33 or a 34? Let me know in the comments. Alright, so we're working our way from Grand all the way down to Escondido Boulevard. There isn't many cars over here, but there used to be a shoebox that used to park down here, a black one, a stock one. I'm gonna see if it's down here. And then right here by this Comerica Bank, there used to be like a lowrider lot. I don't know if it's still that, but we'll see. Yeah, it's pretty empty. I can see this Chevy's here, this Chevy Nova. But this used to be, this whole lot used to be like a lowrider scene. Right now it's empty. We got a couple cars in here, but not what it used to be. So I'm gonna go ahead and work my way back. Pretty much covered half of it. I gotta cross the street and cover the south side of Grand on Maple, on Broadway, on Juniper, and Calmia. So we'll be on our way. On the south side of Grand Avenue.
I know.
Selling these wheels. Number is 858-342-2704. Take a look at them. Offenhauser, flat power.
And then we debuted it here.
Well, she was telling us too, that's why it's long beds. No airbags, we got like that.
This one's for sale, 20 grand. Phone number 619-838-1319. The date is June 27th. I'll give it a week or so. This was the front end to my 72 Ford. I recognize it. Ford F-250 with an extra cab. That's very rare. Look at the interior. Wow, what a great job they did on the interior. Center console. That's super cool. Smoothie type wheels, but with the old hubcap. Here's one of my favorite cars. Probably because I had one, not with the extra cab, but I had a 1972 Ford F-250. Brought it to Cruisin Grand a few times. Enjoyed it. Malibu SS, American Racing Wheels. So I'm gonna make my way down this aisle here on Broadway. Love the patina on this truck. This one too. I like the color combination, the red with the gold wheels. Love the sticker. Do not scratch the patina.
127, honey.
4x4. Let's see if I can make that out. Harrison Furniture, 3490 South Market, Redding, Colorado. Ranger. Alright, so I'm gonna work my way up back to Grand.
I love to do this thing style.
Volkswagen Bus, Ford Bronco.
I love this Bronco. That is badass.
This one was here on week 1. I remember filming this car. Yep, 1929. Alright, so I'm working my way back to Grand. This is Broadway. So I'm gonna start heading east on Grand. The sun's starting to set. We'll see if we can get part of the cruise. Filming the cruise is sometimes my favorite part.
Thanks, of course, to C&G Ford Cars for tonight's sponsor, which is also next to me. That is our vehicle leader. You can check that over here on South Broadway. All those beautiful vehicles. Tonight is filling up. You're seeing fun. Lots. Yeah, and we have the Night Owls down at the Turnip Gazebo. Always put on great Rincon traffic. And if you're hungry, barbecue.
put it all together one night.
I'm gonna start to do the walkout. I'm gonna walk on Grand towards Calmia and Juniper. I think there's too many people, so I won't be able to film cars, but we'll get the rollout.
Right now.
I'll go hang out though.
Power steers.
Now this is like the one that or different?
Yeah.
I didn't even make it out to this street. I think this is either Calmia or Juniper. I think it's Calmia. And I didn't make it down this street. I'll do a quick one. Some of the cars already rolled out that were in this area. Nonetheless, I can do a quick walkthrough. Oh, I like the patina on this car. I've seen this car, 1939. I recognize this car. Maybe I saw it in Fallbrook. Maybe I've seen it here in Cruisin Grand. It looks like a 38. Based on the grill, it looks like a 38. I think I'm off by a year because the plate says 1939. But running out of time, running out of battery, but still got this street. Oh, that's interesting. That's a Camaro front end, right? Tell me if that's something else. They made it, took off the fenders. That's interesting. Running out of time, running out of battery, but we'll see what we can get. We can get. I think on week one I probably spent like 10-15 minutes just on this row alone on pure Plymouths and Roadrunners. Ooh, look at this nice Chevelle. $1961, 17,500 C10. I'll see what I can get. Rule of thumb, don't call the number after a week. Today is June 27th, 2025. Good rule of thumb. So I'm wrapping it up. I'm getting back to Juniper. Week 3, Cruisin Grand.
Well, this pigeon's down on Market Square.